Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming at you with another box break. This is a 2014 Press Pass box break. Got this at Target, and just notice this. Normally, when you get them at Target, it indicates, oh, find special red ones or green ones or whatever. And this one doesn't indicate that, so I'm not sure. So I'm guessing these are just regular blaster boxes from that you can get. And everything. So let's see what we get here, folks. Hopefully we'll find somebody different here. A.J. McCarron, Latch Seastuff. I apologize if I'm mispronouncing any of these guys' names. Darquez Denard, blue. Jarvis Landry, and Logan Thomas. A Jimmy Garoppolo, Andre Williams, Brandon Cooks, and Khalil Mack. And our last we have the autograph in it. We have a Johnny Manziel, James White, Jordan Matthews, Bishop, Devin, and Devin Street is a wide receiver from here's autograph for Devin Street, autograph for Devin Street, which is so I think you guys will catch the next watch.